Beachbody coaches help you to reach your health and fitness goals and objectives for free. Our services are for free. So we're going to show you a few videos today, just real short videos. The first one is going to be on some of our main top programs. And then we're going to go into Shakeology, which is our flagship product to make the insides good and healthy to coincide with the fitness and the exercise. And then I'm going to share with you how we can help you as coaches to get the best shape and fitness of your lives. I was a 48-year-old man when I started P90X, a little under 300 pounds, at 296 pounds. 90 days later, I lost 50 pounds, lost 28 inches on my chest, waist, and hips. Went from 31% body fat to 19% body fat. Now I'm helping other people do the same thing. I'm just like you, just like anybody else, just helping other people get healthy and fit for free. That's a pretty good deal, isn't it? All right, Josh.